Alright, now that your wireframes are looking amazing, let's add some style. Click Add Styles and you'll be greeted with our pre-made styles that instantly change the look and feel of your entire website. Think clean layouts, bold gradients, dark mode magic. It's all in here. Just click the style that fits your brand or the energy you're going for and watch Modulify update everything. Fonts, colors, spaces, all synced across every page. These styles impact the wireframes at a global level. Headings, body text, and buttons adopt consistent fonts. Spaces and paddings are adjusted across all the sections. Color schemes like primary and secondary brands are applied site-wide. Backgrounds and UI elements are styled to match the selected style. Modulify includes some of the most requested styles in the market. SaaS platform, portfolio sites, creative agencies, small businesses, real estate, you name it. And here's the cherry on top. If you want to make the style truly yours, meet colors. To get started, just click Site Styles on the top bar. That opens the customization panel where you're officially in charge of your brand's entire look and feel. From here, you can change these. First, the branding. Update your brand assets, both light and dark versions. You can upload both logos with icons and make sure it looks perfect in every settings. Colors in the site style tabs, you're looking at the global level. Colors you choose here become the foundation of your entire site. Set your core brand colors using hex codes picked from curated palettes or let Modulify AI suggest the vibe for you. Feeling spontaneous? Hit surprise me and a fresh color palette will be generated. Once you've got your basics, everything updates instantly. Backgrounds, button, text, it's all synced. Now that you did all the global changes, let's look at appearance. Section by section, page by page. You want your homepage to be dark, but keep the rest light? Go for it. You need a splash of color in a banner or a call to action? Easy. You are not locked in to a single look. You are in full control of everything. Swap images with just one click. Yes, it's that easy. Need to update the picture? Just click on one of the images and boom, a smart pop-up opens where you can upload your own image directly from your computer or browse curated visuals by Lumi AI. You can search anything like happy theme or modern workspace and scroll through endless results without leaving Modulify. You can also change the icon. Modulify gives you two great ways to personalize your icons. Browse from 50,000 free icons using the built-in app icon, or upload your own custom icons, perfect to match your brand. And voila, you just created a customized design system perfect for your own brand. Now look how far we made it. You designed it, you styled it, you even personalized it. Now it's time to publish it. What if I told you this can be simply done by copying and pasting it to Webflow? Don't believe me? Watch the next video and see how easy that truly is.